In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to connect Zoho Books to your Shopify store. This integration helps you automatically sync sales, inventory, and financial data so you can manage your business more efficiently. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the official Zoho Books website. Once the page loads, sign in to your Zoho Books account using your login credentials. After signing in successfully, you'll land on the Zoho Books dashboard. This is where you can manage invoices, payments, reports, and integrations for your business. Now look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on My Account. From there, navigate to the Settings section. This area allows you to manage preferences, automations, and third-party integrations connected to your Zoho Books account. Inside Settings, find and click on Connections. This section is used to manage all your active integrations and add new ones. Next, click on New Connection to start setting up a new integration. You'll now see a list of available platforms and services. Look for Shopify and click on it. Zoho Books will now begin the connection setup process for your Shopify store. Next, click Create and Connect to continue. You may be asked to log in to your Shopify account and authorize the connection between Shopify and Zoho Books. After approving the permissions, the integration will be completed and both platforms will begin syncing data automatically. This connection helps keep your orders, customer details, inventory, and financial records updated in real time between Shopify and Zoho Books. And that's it. You've successfully connected Zoho Books to Shopify. Thanks for watching and goodbye.